Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, if you iPhone user then facing this issue on your iPhone and iPad. The iPhone users facing this issue like iPhone struck on the disable screen, won't charge, struck on Apple logo, struck on black screen, white screen on iPhone and iPad. Follow all the steps on your iPhone and iPad, this way too you can easily stuck problem fix on your iPhone and iPad. This all the problem fix using the iMyFone Fixppo without losing any your iPhone and iPad datas. Now the iPhone and iPad users question is what to do for the fixing struck problem on iPhones. This iMyFixppo is an amazing software for the struck problem fix on your iPhone and iPad instantly. Now the what type problem fix using this software. Now the first one is one click to reset iPhone, iPad, iPad Touch without password on your iPhone and iPad. Now the second one is instantly enter and exit recovery mode on iOS device. Now the third one is fix your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV without losing your data. Fourth one is easily download iOS to previous versions of the without jailbreak on your iPhone and iPad. And also last one is support all the iOS versions and device including the iOS 15 and iPhone 13 models. This all the problem fix using the iMyFone Fixppo software. Now the second point discuss about the what is price of the iMyFone Fixppo. This website link I give you on my description box, so guys please make sure copy on your web browsers. Now the simple tap on the buy and scroll down and tap on the individuals. Now you can see also many plans available. Now 1 month $30 one iOS device on your iPhone and iPad. Now the second plan is 1 year plans, one device and $40 on your iPhone and iPad. And now last one plan is lifetime plans for the 5 device and around the $50 on your iPhone and iPad users. I recommend you can easily yearly plan and lifetime plan is best for the iPhone and iPad users. Now the Windows and Mac users question is what to do for the download this software. For the Windows users you can see also free download options is available. Now please make sure tap on it and download this software in Windows computer and laptop. Once this software is downloaded on your PC and computer, then open it and installation is done. Installations complete after you can see also how to work this software using iPhone problem fix. Now open the iMyFone Fixppo software on your laptop and Windows computers. Now the total 4 mode is available: standard mode, advanced mode, reset device, and also last one is exit and enter recovery mode. Now the first one is standard mode. In standard mode you can see also disable screen, won't charge, iPhone struck on the Apple logo, iPhone struck on the black screen, white screen problem fix using the standard mode. Now the second mode is advanced mode. If you forget your iPhone lock screen password, then you can using the advanced mode fix your problems. Now third one mode is also reset iPhone modes. This reset iPhone mode too you can easily get your iPhone is fully reset on your iPhone and iPad. And fourth one option is enter and exit the recovery mode on your iPhone and iPad. Using this 4 mode too you can easily iPhone struck problem fix on your iPhone and iPad. In the right hand side bottom you can see also my iPhone struck on the recovery mode. Now this question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Now the simple thing is your iPhone is connect via the lightning cable to PC and also Windows computer. Once your iPhone is connected, now simple tap on the enter and exit recovery mode option. Now tap on the next. Now you can see also exit recovery mode option is available. Now please make sure tap on it. In my iPhone screen you can see also recovery mode struck problem is fixed and also Apple logo is appear on the screen. Once your iPhone struck on the recovery mode process is done, now enter your correct passcode. This way too you can easily iPhone struck on recovery mode problem fix using this software. This amazing software for the iPhone and iPad users for the iPhone struck problem fix on your iPhone and iPad. This software link I give you on my description box, so guys please make sure copy on your browsers and install Windows and Mac computers. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem. Thank you so much.